During this coronavirus pandemic, some businesses are allowed to remain open while others have been forced to close their doors. KSBY News reporter Michael Torres breaks down the reasoning for an essential business and why some believe they should still be working.
In San Luis Obispo County, bakeries, creameries, and coffee shops are allowed to remain open and offer takeout, pickup, and delivery options, while places like dentist offices have had to close. And that's raised the question for some as to what defines an essential business.
Trying to provide that sense of normalcy for our customers. There's so much ritual around, drinking coffee and having that coffee shop experience.
Businesses like Scout Coffee in San Luis Obispo have been able to keep their doors open. The federal government identified 16 sectors of businesses as essential. Food and agriculture is one of them. And while healthcare is also one of the sectors deemed essential, dentists are not included in that group.
It happened very quickly. We were doing fine in business. Everything was going great Thursday, and the following Monday, that morning basically, or the night before, we were told by the California Dental Association basically to close down all operations.
Dentists are now only performing emergency procedures. They are not deemed essential because it is a high-risk profession.
We're very intimately connected with saliva and mucus, and the virus is known to spread through that, and there's no real social distancing in dentistry. You're right there.
In Governor Newsom's stay-at-home order, he said Californians must have access to necessities such as food, prescriptions, and health care. Pet groomers did not make the list, but say they should have. SLO County officials say the call was based on guidance from the county's veterinarian.
Pet grooming is essential because we do a lot of preventative stuff before the vets get to the dogs. We're checking the dogs for, bumps, lumps, tumors, ticks, all this sort of thing.
The stay-at-home order still requires people to practice social distancing when visiting or working at these places and businesses that have been deemed essential. Reporting in San Luis Obispo, Michael Torres, KSBY News.